Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. If you remember right, the last time we learned a brand new sound. Can anyone remember what sound that was? Exactly. It's the sound, and we stick out our tongue. Today we're going to learn a slightly new sound. Same as before. I say a word, you echo the word, and after all three words, see if you can hear what sound is the same. Are you ready? Here we go. Say that. Say them. Say this. That, them, this. What sound do I hear that's the same in all three of those words? That, them, this. My tongue is sticking out again, isn't it? What is going on, Mr. Slates? Think back to the other day when we learned the sound. When I say like in thumb, I don't feel any vibration here in my throat and my lips do not tickle. But say that. Do you feel how your throat vibrates and your tongue and your lips sort of tickle? It's the same two letters. If we look at all of these words, we still see the TH. But instead of making the sound, this time my voice box vibrates and my lips tickle. So it's the same two letters. It just makes a slightly different sound. So instead of saying, we say, th. Does that make sense? So today when we do our sound activity with our triangles, when you see the TH, I want you to make both sounds. So you're going to say, th, th. And if you can't feel it, take your hand and put it on your voice box when you say that, and you should feel it vibrating. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Say the sound. B. Th. Th. Sh. E. Th. Ah. Great job. All right, it's time for our next sound activity. I say a word that has two parts. This time, we're taking off the first part of the word, and you tell me what's left. Today, every single word has to do with an animal. Are you ready? Here we go. Say honeybee. Without honey, what's left? Bee. Ugh. Say rattlesnake. Without rattle, what's left? Snake. Say dragonfly. Without dragon, what's left? Fly. Say grasshopper. Without grass, what's left? Hopper. Awesome. Say jellyfish. Without jelly, what's left? Fish. Say bumblebee. Without bumble, what's left? Bee. Say hummingbird. Without humming, what's left? Bird. All right, last one. Say butterfly. Without butter, what's left? Fly. All right, it's time for our next sound activity. Remember, we call this deleting. Deleting means I take something away. And today, I'm going to say a word. Mario and you are going to echo, and then I'm going to ask you to delete or take off the first sound and tell me what's left. So here comes Mario. He's ready to help. Are you? Let's do our first one together. Say meek. Meek. If I take off what's left? Eek. Yeah, like eek, like I'm scared. Let's do the next one. Say love. Love. Without what's left? Of. Of. Awesome. Next one. Say gate. Gate. Without g, what's left?
8.
Great job. Say mice.
Mice.
Without what's left?
Yummy ice.
Ice. Last one. Say loan.
Loan.
Without what's left?
Own.
Great job. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.